looky, looky. Some of them are actually turning black. That means they're ripe. No, blackberries. What did I call them yesterday? Raspberries. Blackberries. Yeah, good stuff. Mmm, mmm, so good. And those of you who are probably saying right now, Val, I can't believe you're eating that stuff. It's wild and whatever and blah, 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 blah. You could get sick. Not nearly as sick as you can get by taking, well, I'm just saying. I'm on the side of nature because I'm a nature baby. I don't need any unnatural thing to keep me healthy. Nature baby sticks with nature. I gotta go again.